Okay, hear me out. It could work. So, I know what you may be thinking. Executioner, Mega Knight, Elixir Pump. Who came up with that great idea? By the way, so you know already. But yeah, guys, it works. I swear I did not get this 3 crown last game, but it works. Now you see, I may be at 10k, but it does not mean I'm good. I struggle. I do have to say it. I'm not in high tier, but it's alright. Oh god. That's your... I don't even know what that is. Now see, when in doubt, place another Elixir Pump. They always get the job done. Oh, and that's his beautiful value, probably, right? Yeah, I think so. Now you see, the plan is just to dump as much Elixir as I can and pray for the best. It's a sign. It's a sign. I'm just gonna let that damage because we already 3-crowned, we already won. Oh god. He's got love. Again, when in doubt, Mega Knight it out. Oh, I'm in doubt. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Please, oh my god.